if you give someone a hammer and you put your finger on a firm surface and you ask them to hit your finger about as hard as you can, then that's pretty much what it felt like. It felt like my finger was crushed.
Bullet ants have an infamous reputation in the rainforest as they have been known to bring grown men to cry. Many ecologists who work with them, including Terry McGlynn, treat them with the respect of venomous snakes. But these fear-invoking ants aren't ferocious predators. Instead, they spend their time foraging for nectar among delicate flowers in the canopy.
Bullet ants spend most of their day traveling between the forest floor and canopy. Because they forage mostly on nectar, this diet doesn't provide them with a lot of protein. So it came as a surprise to researchers when they offered bullet ants a protein-rich food source, and they didn't want it or even know what to do with it.
They assess how to carry it based on the nutritional content of the liquid. The ants wouldn't try to drink the protein liquid, but instead they would chomp at it and try to treat it like a prey item. So it's like if you were drinking a smoothie, right? If it's a sweet smoothie or it's a soda, then you drink it. But if you were an ant like this, then you wouldn't try to drink a protein smoothie, but you try to eat it with the fork.
The bullet ant's response to the protein water was weird, so we wanted to know if any other ants also exhibit this behavior.
We are going out to collect these other ant species because we want to see if the same behavior that we saw in bullet ants is present in the very closely related species. And if they are, then maybe we have an evolutionary trend. And if not, we have to explore different characteristics like where the ants are found, what habitats they encounter, what things they eat.
So in order to find them, we got to dig through leaf litter, break open decaying logs, and even climb into the canopy, which was awesome. We brought as many different ant species into the lab as we could find. We then tested them with the protein water to see if they would have the same biting response as the bullet ant.
Bullet ants are really unique. We didn't find this biting behavior in any other closely related species, which means we really need to look more towards things like ecology or their food choice. So awkward. Okay.